The Tuscan Kale Salad with the Parmesan Dressing. Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes, and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe. My name is Christina Vonti Fisher, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing some fall type recipes, starting with my Tuscan Kale Salad. Luigi, he was in here hoping for something. I just don't want him to leave empty-handed. Would you like a cannellini bean? Oh, you're such an Italian. We are going to have one bunch of kale, this is what you need, some cherry tomatoes, these are like grape tomatoes, anyways, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, cannellini beans, a little bit of crushed red pepper, some minced garlic, anchovy paste. If you don't have anchovy paste, you can get anchovies and kind of grind them down or mince them, or you could use one of these little mortar pestle things. The juice of 1 lemon, because these lemons are kind of small, I'm gonna use a juice of 2, but normally it's a juice of 1. And then just salt and pepper to taste. So we're gonna get started. So I would cut it in half. If you don't have your knife skills down, it's gonna be hard. You can cut it into whatever you want. I like to do ribbons. You could do any kind of cut you choose. Kale is really a nutritious vegetable. It's high in vitamin K, which is great for helping your body with blood clotting. It's also high in vitamin A, which is great for skin. It builds up your immune system. It's good for vision. So there's some good health benefits to kale. I love using a tomato cutting knife. It does make all the difference in the world, and you won't hurt yourself when you're cutting tomatoes. And you can get these at, most stores, Williams-Sonoma, Bed Bath & Beyond. If they're still open, I don't even know. Amazon. Okay. Parmesan dressing. You want to put the garlic into a bowl or into one of these little doodahs. Okay. With 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just a little bit of salt. Okay. Then you just want to pound it down until it becomes a paste. Which with one of these, it's so fast and easy. I'm gonna drop it into the bowl. You're gonna feel like, oh my gosh, this isn't enough to make the dressing, but trust me, it really, really is. Okay, next step is we're gonna do the juice of a lemon. I did 2 lemons today because these lemons look so small. Squeeze that lemon, give it a nice roll, kind of get the lemon ready for prepping here. We're just gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna hold my hand underneath so we don't get any seeds. Now we're gonna add in olive oil. That is 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're adding 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna do the chili flakes. And we're gonna put the pepper in there, the rest of the salt, and then we need a 1/4 teaspoon of anchovy paste. This is so yummy. I'm just gonna eyeball it, and we are going to just whisk. I think it's happy. I think it looks good. Okay, so there is my Parmesan dressing. There you go. You can always do a double or triple batch if you want. You could save this in the fridge for up to 3 days. I just want to shake it because it just feels like a thing to do. Anyways, there you go. My Parmesan cheese dressing. Have fun, okay?
Healthy kale for fiber, those sweet cherry tomatoes that make every bite burst with flavor.
Homemade croutons.
Creamy cannellini beans for protein. Then comes the star of the show, the Parmesan dressing.
And here it is, the Tuscan Kale Salad with the Parmesan dressing. So delicious, yummy, loaded with kale, tomatoes, cannellini beans, and my homemade croutons. I hope you try out this recipe. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.